replace the puller micro switch, remove the center bolt, pull the puller head up, disconnect the wiring, undo these 3 screws, and you will see the switch. Get the new switch. There are 2 little knobs. The switch fits on those knobs. You put your beauty cover back on. Make sure your wiring is out. Place your screws. And put your head back on. Before you drop it down, reconnect your wire. Slide it back in. There is a cup down here that it belongs in. Put your bolt back in and tighten it up. And that's to replace the micro switch and puller. On these newer style, you will have to remove and leave out this center screw. And now the head will slide down. Put your bolt back in. And tighten it up.